1. So the question is, if I am starting at 70 degrees and 60% relative humidity, what temperature would I have to raise it to get to 40% relative humidity? So remember, when temperature goes up, relative humidity goes down. So for example, if I'm right here at 65 degrees at 30% relative humidity, and I increase the temperature, as I go to the right where temperature goes up, I'm now dropping lower than 30% relative humidity. So that's all we're saying is what temperature I need to get to accomplish that. So if I start at 70 degrees, right here, so we'll go to 70 degrees. I'm going to blow this up a little bit. 70 degrees is right here. And I'm at 60% relative humidity. So right there's my intersection. So I'm saying, okay, that's where I'm at on the psychrometric chart. And I want to know what gets me to 40% relative humidity. Well, here's 40% relative humidity right here. So I know that anytime I change temperature, it does not change the amount of moisture in the air, which we mark off GPP. That's how we measure that. So I'm simply going to go up here to where I'm starting at, right here. And I'm going to go across. I'm just going to start to increase the temperature until I get to 40%. Now that's my new location. Now it wants to know what the temperature is, and we keep the temperature information at the bottom of the chart. So now that I know where my new location is, I will simply come down here to the bottom and say, what is my new temperature? And my temperature is 80, 81. That would be 82 degrees. So in order for me to get from 70 degrees and 60%, if I go up to 82 degrees, I will be at 40% relative humidity.